In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to copy an indicator script in Tradingview so you can edit and customize it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and go to your chart screen. Once you're inside, click on Indicators at the top and search for an indicator like RSI, then add it to your chart. Now, find the indicator name on your chart and look for the option to open it in Pine Editor or View Source Code. Click on it to open the script. Once the Pine Editor opens, select all the code and copy it. Next, click on Create a Working Copy to open a new editable script. Paste the copied code into this new editor. Now you have your own version of the indicator that you can modify. After making changes, click Add to Chart to apply it. Keep in mind, some indicators don't allow copying if the source code is protected. That's it. Now you know how to copy a Tradingview indicator script. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.